Hey, future nurses! Your cheerleader here, and let me tell you, I've been there. Those long nights hunched over textbooks, the endless cups of coffee, the feeling like you're learning a whole new language. It's a grind, and it can feel overwhelming at times. But trust me, it's all part of the journey. We've all been there. Nursing school is tough, no sugarcoating it. The stress, the pressure, the constant studying, it can really take a toll on you. But guess what? It's doable, and with the right strategies, you can totally crush it. You just need to stay focused, stay organized, and keep pushing forward. That's why I'm stoked to share my top study tips, the same ones that helped me survive and thrive in nursing school. These tips are designed to help you not just get by, but excel. We're not just talking about passing your exams here, we're talking about truly understanding the material. Because at the end of the day, you're going to be taking care of real people. Your knowledge and skills will make a difference in their lives. So buckle up, grab your stethoscope, and let's get you ready to conquer nursing school. Together, we'll make sure you're prepared for every challenge that comes your way. First things first, you gotta have a plan. Without a plan, you're setting yourself up for chaos and stress. Imagine trying to navigate a new city without a map. That's what studying without a schedule is like. A recipe for disaster. You wouldn't know where to start or what to focus on. Block out specific times for studying, just like you would for an important appointment. Treat these study blocks as non-negotiable. And don't just go with the flow, be strategic. Organize your study materials and set clear goals for each session. Prioritize the subjects you find most challenging or the ones coming up on exams. This way, you can tackle the tough stuff when your mind is fresh. Consistency is key here, guys. Regular study sessions help reinforce what you've learned and make it stick. Make studying a non-negotiable part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or scrolling through TikTok, but way more beneficial for your future. Remember, life happens, things come up, but having a schedule provides that much-needed structure. It helps you stay on track even when things get hectic. It's like having a study buddy who keeps you accountable, even when you'd rather be binge-watching your favorite medical drama. Stick to your schedule, and you'll thank yourself later. Okay, let's talk about active learning. It's a game changer when it comes to retaining information and truly understanding the material. Passively reading textbooks is about as effective as trying to learn a new language by just staring at a dictionary. You might get some words, but you won't grasp the full picture. You gotta actively engage with the material. This means asking questions, discussing with peers, and using different study tools. One of my favorite techniques is the Feynman technique. It's a powerful method to deepen your understanding. It's simple. Explain a concept to someone else like you're teaching it. This forces you to break it down into simpler terms. Can't explain it clearly? Go back, review, and try again. This iterative process helps solidify your knowledge. Trust me, teaching is the best way to learn. It not only helps you but also benefits your peers. And don't forget practice questions. They are crucial for testing your understanding and application of concepts. Those NCLEX-style questions are your secret weapon. They mimic the real exam and help you get comfortable with the format. They not only test your knowledge, but also familiarize you with the exam format. This reduces anxiety and boosts confidence. It's like taking a practice run before the big race. So engage actively, teach others, and practice consistently. Nursing school is like drinking from a fire hose. There's just so much information coming at you. Don't try to cram everything in at once. That's a one-way ticket to overwhelm. Instead, break down those massive chapters into smaller, bite-sized chunks. Think of it like eating a pizza. You wouldn't try to stuff the whole thing in your mouth at once, right? Summarizing is your best friend here. After each section, take a few minutes to jot down the key takeaways in your own words. This not only helps you remember the information, but also forces you to actively process it. We're visual learners, my friends. Our brains love images, so use that to your advantage. Flowcharts, diagrams, even doodles can make complex processes crystal clear. Flashcards are a classic for a reason. They're portable, perfect for reviewing on the go, and super effective for memorizing key terms and definitions. Plus, there are tons of apps out there that make creating and using flashcards a breeze. Remember, the more senses you engage in the learning process, the better your chances of retaining information. So get creative, have fun with it, and watch your understanding soar. Don't limit yourself to just textbooks, guys. There's a whole world of learning resources out there. Think videos, podcasts, nursing apps, even documentaries. Joining a study group is like having a built-in support system. You can quiz each other, explain concepts, and even vent about the stresses of nursing school. Plus, hearing different perspectives on the material can really solidify your understanding. Remember, everyone learns differently. Experiment with different resources and find what works best for you. The key is to keep things interesting and avoid monotony. Nursing is a hands-on profession, so don't neglect those clinical skills. Those simulation labs are your playground to practice, make mistakes, and gain confidence. Grab a study buddy and practice assessments, procedures, even that dreaded IV insertion. The more you practice, the more comfortable and competent you'll become. Remember, those clinical skills are what will set you apart as a nurse, so embrace the opportunity to practice, ask questions, and become a pro. Okay, let's talk organization. It might seem trivial, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. A well-organized binder is like a treasure chest of knowledge, keeping all your notes, handouts, and assignments in one place. Create daily or weekly to-do lists to track assignments and deadlines. There's something so satisfying about checking things off a list, it's like a mini celebration for your productivity. Remember, a clutter-free study space can do wonders for your focus and concentration. So take a few minutes each day to tidy up, organize your materials, and set yourself up for success. Time management is crucial in nursing school, where you're constantly juggling classes, clinicals, and maybe even a part-time job. The key is to prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination. Learn to differentiate between urgent and important tasks. That assignment due tomorrow? Definitely urgent. But that certification exam in a few months? Important but not urgent. Plan accordingly. Remember, breaks are not a luxury. They're a necessity. Stepping away from your studies for a few minutes can actually boost your productivity and prevent burnout. Listen up, future nurses. You can't take care of others if you're not taking care of yourself. Make sleep a priority. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Think of it as recharging your batteries for another day of conquering nursing school. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Ditch the junk food and opt for whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Your brain will thank you. And don't underestimate the power of exercise. Even a quick 30-minute workout can do wonders for your mood, focus, and energy levels. Listen, even the best nurses need a little help sometimes. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you're struggling with a concept. Your professors are there to support you, so take advantage of their office hours. Utilize school resources like tutoring centers or study groups. Remember, everyone learns differently, and there's no shame in seeking extra help. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're committed to your education and willing to do what it takes to succeed. We live in a digital age, my friends. Take advantage of all the amazing educational apps out there. Flashcards, quizzes, interactive anatomy models, you name it, there's an app for that. Online nursing communities can be a goldmine of information and support. Connect with fellow nursing students, share study tips, and even vent about the challenges of nursing school. Remember, technology can be a powerful tool for learning. Use it wisely, and it can enhance your understanding and make studying more efficient and even enjoyable. Nursing school is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be tough times, moments when you want to throw in the towel. That's when it's crucial to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Set realistic goals, both short-term and long-term. Maybe your short-term goal is to ace your upcoming exam, while your long-term goal is to become a registered nurse. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a step closer to your dream career. You've got this. So, there you have it. My top study tips for conquering nursing school. Remember, it's not just about memorizing facts. It's about truly understanding the material and developing the critical thinking skills you'll need to be an amazing nurse. It's going to be challenging. There will be times when you doubt yourself, but trust me, you've got this. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never be afraid to ask for help. Now go out there, make me proud, and show the world what an incredible nurse you're going to be. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.